So let's say that a company has identified their goals, right? In order to do something about it, they would have to figure out how to transform. And while they're figuring out how to transform, they would have to learn how to use data in order to do that. Now, so this chart is one of my favorite pictorials. It basically is plotting business value on x-axis, the bottom, to complexity of the actions that you need to take in order to hit that success, right? So at a board level, you're talking about, I want to hit growth. I want to hit sustainability. I want to hit profit, right? Maybe there's more things. Maybe you want to build a culture. Maybe you want to be competitive, right? Now, first thing that you need to do is measure what's happening, right? What is actually happening in your current state of business? And more often than not, in a transforming organization, you already have that data. But as we were discussing earlier, you may not have a way to consolidate that data together, right? So step number one is, how can you report on what's happening by consolidating that data